A design's not really done until it's been properly documented. With Fusion 360, you can document your designs with 2D drawings, renderings, and multi-step animations. Rapidly create those 2D drawings from any model, assembly, or animation in your Fusion project. Quickly lay out views, create section views, add dimensions, notes, tolerances, and custom properties on the title block. Just as easily create a parts list, lay out the balloons, and align them to create a production-ready assembly drawing. On the other hand, renderings are the quickest path to high-quality imagery. Aided by an extensive material library, realistic camera settings, and a variety of environments, backgrounds, and lighting options, it'll be no time before you start ray tracing locally or on the cloud. For any of those times where a picture just doesn't provide enough detail, look no further than the animation workspace to create videos detailing assembly, disassembly, or operation of your designs. And if you jump the gun and a design change occurs after any of these digital assets have been created, not a problem. Fusion 360's integrated workspaces ensure that changes to the model are propagated seamlessly to the related drawings, rendering setups, and animations. All this and more in Fusion 360.